Good day, class. By the way, I am Rolando Lopez Jr. I am expecting that our class will be collaborative and interactive. Note, class, always turn off your mic unless you are asked or you have questions. Before we will start our proper discussion, let's have a prayer first. Again, good day. Our motto for today, learn to earn to live, and live to serve. That's why we are here today. Before I introduce our topic for today, let's explore this or try to answer this. The scores in geometry quiz of 7 students. This is their score. Now, I want you to arrange the collected data values in ascending order. You can turn on your mic or write your answer in the chat box. Yes, correct. So we have here questions. First, what score frequently appears? Yes, correct. 5 frequently appears in the data. How about this? What score appears to be in the middle? Yes, correct. 5 appears to be in the middle. How about this? How many students fall below the middle score? Yes, correct. 3 falls below the middle score. Class, this question you had answered are related to our topic for today, which is measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. For our objective, at the end of the lesson, you must have solved for the measure of central tendency of an ungrouped data. Now, let's ask personal what is ungrouped data. When you hear the word ungrouped data, what comes up to your mind? Yes, correct. Ungrouped data that have not been arranged in ascending or descending order or not arranged in interval form. Let's define next measure of central tendency. It is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. In short, class, it tells where the center value of a data set is located. For example, this is the data of the scores of students in their math quiz with a perfect scores of 5. In this data, what is the middle value? Yes, correct. 4 is the middle value. There are 3 measures of central tendency. The 3 measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. Let's define first what is median. The median is the sum of the value of each observation in a dataset divided by the number of observations. This is also known as the average. This is the formula of getting the mean. X bar represent the mean. X represent values or scores. Summation of X represents sum of the values of each observation in a data. Then N represent the total number of observation. So let's have an example for you to easily understand this. We have here a data. This is the data. What is the mean? To calculate the mean, sum all the data. So 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 10 plus 18 is equal to 50. This, class, is the meaning of this symbol. Sum of the values of each observation in a data. Divide by the number of observation. Now, class, what do you think is the total number of observation? Yes, correct. The total number of observation is 5. 50, or the sum of all the data, divided by 5, which is the total number of observation, is equal to 10 centimeter. And this is now our mean. Let's have another example of computing the mean, the grades and geometry of 10 students. So this is the data. or this is their score. What is the average grade of the 10 students? Class, in this example, what is the total number of observation? Yes, correct. The total number of observation is 10. So here our solution in getting the mean. This is the formula of getting the mean. Sum all the data. This is our data. We add them all. Then divide by the total number of observation. 832 is the sum of all the data. Divide by 10, which is the total number of observation. So we have now 83.2 is the mean, or hence the average grade of 10 students is 83.2. Now try to answer this to assist yourself if you understand how to get the mean. For question number 1, what is the mean for the data set? This data set. I give you 1 minute to answer this. Let's check your answer. Yes, correct. I guess you already observed how to compute the mean because all of you got the correct answer. Let's proceed to the second measure of central tendency, which is the median. Let's define the median. Median is the middle data point for a set of data that has been arranged in ascending or descending order. The median divides the distribution in half. There are 50% of observation on either side of the median value. Add number of observation, the median value is the middle value. Let's have an example for you to easily understand this. We have here a data. What is the median? Solution. It is said that the median is the middle data in a set of data that has been arranged in ascending or descending order. So our first step is arrange the numbers from lowest to highest. So we already arranged the data in ascending order. Second step, pick the middle value. In our data that has been already arranged in ascending order, the middle value is 10. Therefore, the median is 10. Class, in this example, it is an odd number of observation. Now, try to answer this to assist yourself if you understand how to get the median. For our question number 1, what is the median for the data set? This data. I will give you 1 minute to answer this. Let's check your answer. Your answer is correct. Very good. Since you already know the second measure of central tendency, which is the median, we will move on to the third measure of central tendency, which is mode. Let's define mode. Mode is the number that occurs most often in a set of data. A set of data can have more than one mode. If all the numbers appear the same number of times, there is no mode for that data. Let's have an example to easily understand this. We have here a data. This is the data. What is the mode? Solution. Count the frequency of each data point. We will count how many times the value in the data set appears, because the mode is the value of a data set that is most appearing or occur most. So we will count the frequency of each data. 5 appear once, 7 appear once, 10 appear 2 times, 18 appear 1 times. Since 10 occur most frequently, 10 centimeter is the mode. Class, what if we remove this one in the set of data? What is the mode? Yes, correct. There is no mode because the data appear the same times. Now, try to answer this to assist yourself if you understand how to get the mode. First question, find the mode of the following ages of students in a culinary class. This is the data. I will give you 1 minute to answer this. Let's check your answer. Your answer is correct. Very good. Since all of you got the correct answer, I guess you listen well. So class, that's the 3 measure of central tendency. Any questions or clarifications? None? So we're done for today. Thank you class for joining our class for today.